Ashley here with Sienna Mulch. We are prepping our beds for the winter. So we're going to be turning our mulch. So the existing mulch, you want to get it going, kind of bring it back to life a little bit. And then right here you can see the trunk is going to be lower than the rest. You definitely want to prevent those mulch volcanoes. And then we're going to go in with our own premium hardwood mulch that we make here in-house. Beautiful stuff. Chocolatey brown, double ground. All organic, no dyes. And you're going to want to put a nice fresh layer on top. You're going to want to do your flowers and your trees all the way around, and just make sure you don't get the mulch around your trunk. A nice layer around, and you're going to insulate your plants and your trees for the winter to keep them nice and warm like a blanket.